Okay. You have to saw the paper. It's not good, so I'm going to do this anyway.
Ew.
Yeah, that's bad. That's my name, Bad Brad. All right, let's see. Oh, there it caught. Okay.
Okay, so a perfect example of a knife that needs attention.
Yeah, oh, okay. So I've had people say, okay, slow down, you move too fast. Give me more detail, more description, more talk about what you're doing. Show the sharpener in the angle that you're using, better, more clear. I have like 30 videos. You just got to dig through them. Get you a little shovel, okay, and dig through my videos, because there are videos there showing that, but I'm going to show you now, okay? So I guess this one, very popular model. I just
What
made,
is it?
Well, this is called the Sharpen Spark. So why do they call it the Sharpen Spark? Because it sharpens and it sparks, okay? And it's got a bottle opener in the handle, like that right there, okay? It's got the draw through, the V-notch. It's got the open face, straight line corners. So there's a corner, there's a corner, just like that's a corner and that's a corner. You'd be amazed how many people, either they can't see or they actually don't know what a corner is, because I go through a lot of BS at this table. All right, so we're going to take this knife that I dulled, and I'm going to run
Prove it
through
again. You know what goes on out there.
Okay, yeah, because I could have switched them. Okay, so let's see. Hang on, I can saw the paper in two. Okay, let's do this one more time, just for the hell of it. Okay. Oh, just like that. All right. So, see all the metal? That was from the last project where I made a knife into a saw blade into a knife. So let's run it through the V, straight up and down. Do not tip it, do not tip it. Only straight up and down. If you tip it, you take the edge off your blade. Only straight up and down, 90 degrees to the table, okay? So then I'm just gonna run it through like this. I'm not gonna press very hard. It will bite. I don't have to make it bite, so we just do that. Running it across that saw blade like I did really make the cutting edge rough on this knife. So I'm not going to press too hard, not going to have a bunch of metal on the table. And then we just lighten up on it. I can go forwards and backwards. Then I'm going to take it like this. You got a 90-degree corner there, and you got a 90-degree corner over here. I touch the 90-degree corner to the blade like that. Turn it this way or back that way, tip the knife down, 15-degree angle, that's parallel, okay, that's about 15 degrees, let it turn and start sliding it along the blade like this, all right, just like that. It'll look like this on your side, all right, and then I just start moving it along like that. I do not really have to slow down, because all I'm doing is the very same thing, every pass, every touch. And unless I have this hand do that, or I have this arm do that, it's not possible to change the angle on the cutting edge. Just like that. Flip it over and do the same thing. Come back at me this way, out that way. It's always the corners. There's a corner, there's a corner. Okay, touching the knife like this. Come back down here like that and do this. You can set it down on the table and back it up with the table so the knife is more solid. And just like this, go right on out, 15-degree angle. Turn it over, come back at me this way, out that way. Out there on the point like this. Then like that, we come back up here in the air a little bit, like that. Like that, that. Okay, when I'm doing this, flipping it every pass, I'm actually taking that little wire edge, that little burr off the blade. So let's see, don't move the camera. I don't want to get accused of switching knives. Not that I've ever had that. And we end up with this.
Instead of 2 magazines, it comes with 3.
So look through my videos, find more videos that are slower, more detailed.
Tax set.
I don't know.
That's why it's
just more explanation. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care. I'll talk to you later.
Need a knife?